What's in there?
Crayons. Cashew. Almost all. A super little toothbrush.
No way. A toothbrush? Who's on there?
The Hook.
Ooh.
He's strong.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Look at the snacks. Don't fade away, though.
What?
Then check it out. It's not fade away.
That is awesome, bud. He even has a lightsaber.
And he's Lego, and he's real, and you can play with him.
Really?
What fell down?
Dude.
Then all cans came. There are all kinds of lightsabers for Darth Vader.
Yeah?
For any of them.
Is anything
Yeah,
else in your
this is-
stocking?
Yeah.
Is anything else? Oh,
Can
yeah. Yeah, open it. What are you going to do with that? All right, don't take the whole thing. Maybe that's enough. Just to get you started. What does it taste like?
Chocolate.
Is there anything else in your stocking?
That's all. I just pulled it all out.
I think there's something in the bottom. It looks like.
Here's the.
Oh, thank you.
Don't eat it. I have another present. He's tricky. He put another present for me. I have lots of you guys.
Yeah.
Who's tricky?
Santa. More bullets for my for that thing.
Yeah?
Hey.
Did you show Daddy that shirt? I think he missed that.
Oh, yeah. Where's your shirt, bud? Awesome.
Who's on there?
Can we steal it?
Is that tasty? Can I have a bite?